Welcome, crypto enthusiasts. So get ready to peel back the layers on the latest and most entertaining cryptocurrency on the market, dancing bananas. This asset just a meme project is a revolutionary token built on the powered Solana blockchains, bringing you unparalleled speed and efficiency. With immense potential and a unique twist, Dancing Bananas is set to stand out from the crowd. Let's dive in and see why this crypto sensation is ripe for the picking. So before going to start the further review, I would request you if you are new on my YouTube channel CryptoSonic, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos related to crypto token, NFT project, mining, website, plate ones and a lot of more. So let's start the review now. So dear friends, welcome to Dancing Bananas. So dear friends, I have placed all official link in my video description. You simply click on it and you come here and join this amazing platform. So dear friends, Dancing Bananas, here you can also check out its contract address and you can also check out its charts and analyze its price as well. So here you can also check out its social media links like that Twitter and Telegram, and you can also join and follow to get more information about this project. Here we can also learn more information like that. Welcome to Dancing Banana, the latest and most entertaining cryptocurrency on the market. This coin embodies fun, joy, and spirits of internet culture. Dive into a world full of dance and water as we redefine the boundaries of the crypto communities together. Join it right, cheerful community, and experience the magic of dance with Dancing Bananas as well. So here we can also learn its token mix. So the total supply of this token is mentioned here. So dear friends, so here we can also check that LP is 90% and total of the 10% of the supply is reserved for the community. And dear friends, LP tokens are burned and no tax on buy and sell at all. So now you can also trade without paying any tax as well. So step into the futures of fun with Dancing Bananas. So dear friends, the ticker of the token is DABA, DABA as well. So here you can also check out the amazing profile of Dancing Bananas as well. Now without wasting time, let's check out its chart and follow up and check out its social media as well. So first we check out the its price chart on dexgreener.com as well. So dear friends, here you can also check out it is ready for bullish right now. And dear friends, this project is based on Solana, and here you can also check out with the peer of Solana as well. So its price is already up and it is again ready for bullish, and now it is your golden time to buy it right now. You can hold it and later you can sell and make a lot of profit through this amazing project as well. So dear friends, here you can also check out its current price and you can also check out the liquidity like that 8.7k dollar, and the market cap is 12k dollar as well. So dear friends, you can also check out our information related to this project and more information here as well. So amazing project. You can also right now spend your USD here or Solana and you can buy it right now. So it is very important for you if you spend like that 10 Solana, and you can check out how much you can get DABA here. So like that I want to buy like that 1 lakh DABA. So you can also check how much we need to spend in Sol as well. You can also use your USD. If you want to be buy like that 1 lakh, you need to only 1.24 dollar as well. So So price is very minor right now, but in future if price goes up and it can make you a millionaire if you buy it right now, hold it and later you can sell and make passive income. So already a lot of people and investors are buying this next gem project. You must be buy it right now, but do your own research and you can also invest in this project. I am not your financial advice and I am not advising you. It is an educational purpose video, but you can really love this project. It can really help you to make a millionaire in future. I also recommend it to all of you, so must be follow them on their Twitter account to get latest news and updates as well. Dear fans, dance to success with Dancing Bananas right now. And dear fans, here you can also check that. Don't forget to join the Telegram channel for exclusive competitions. Be part of fun and don't miss out the special events and rewards. So 1000 solder airdrops are upcoming very soon, and then you will be also participate and get airdrops token as well. So here you can also check out his previous tweets and much more information as well. So here is our official Telegram. Must be join it, and you can also find out link in my video description, and must be joined to get latest news and updates, as well as you will be able to participate in airdrop to get announcement in group as well. So this is amazing and incredible project as well. So dear friends, I hope so you like this video. Share with your friends. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.